So, I've never done an unboxing video before. Thought I would try one in my dirty office here. Of course, you guys can't see that, but so here it goes. My Kershaw Emerson to open up. I'm glad there's no such thing as packing peanuts from Amazon anymore. First, some coax connectors. Oh, don't ask. I know, but I needed them. So, $5 for 5 of them. And then for my truck, some side steps. These had been $65. Then they went to $73. And then all of a sudden they went to $50, and I was like, I'm getting them. Need them for my short, stubby legs to get in my truck. Instructions. Ooh, shiny. Now, the one thing I did read about these on Amazon is that the hardware sucks. There's pictures of the heads being stripped out on these. Doesn't look half bad, honestly. Might try it. Might go get some others just in case. That holds up to 300 pounds. Nice lightweight aluminum or aluminum. I might do an install video on these. We'll see what I feel like. Oh, there you go. Pulley bar side steps, some coax connectors. Till next time.